4,815 miles on the Pan America RA1250S. Relatively low mileage. Really nice bike. It's 2021. Got a lot of options on it. It's got a Madstad extended windscreen. Harley-Davidson driving lights down here, the little square ones. Don't know who makes this, but it looks like it's inspired by the Camel Trophy. It's got a nice skid plate on it. The exhaust is wrapped. It's got a custom Corbin seat. Really nice. Firm, but comfortable. Bike is a new endeavor with Harley. They haven't made a dual sport in years, since the 90s when they made one for the military. This is way more advanced than that with all the rider systems. As you can see, it's got tons of controls, beautiful screen, full color, heated grips. This one's got grip guards on it. This thing is something else. If you haven't ridden one, come in before this baby is swept up. Take it for a test ride. You won't be disappointed.